guys, welcome back to the channel. And again, I'm on board of the Norden 901, and simply because this is my third day with the motorcycle, and I noticed that I missed some points on the review on the test drive that I did, and that's why I'm gonna complement that other video with this one. A little bit more information for you guys if you want to watch it, okay? If not, wait for the next for the next review. I have some tips here so I don't forget the things I want to talk to you. First of all, the motorcycle does have steering damper, which I forgot to mention on the review, and it is important. And another thing, it's these buttons, the quick selector here. Like I said, I don't know if you guys understood what it is. It's basically a quick access to some information on the dashboard, or shortcuts, okay? So if this button here, when I press it, I go to the riding modes. I can change between the riding modes, and the button down, I can change between the ABS, road or off-road. And then I don't need to stop the motorcycle, go on the menus, motorcycle, ride mode, blah blah blah, and all that. It's a quick access buttons, and everything is configurable, but you have to stop the motorcycle to do that. Something that I wanted to try, but I didn't because it would take me time and blah blah blah. It was to install the Husqvarna app, just to show you the answer calls and the receive calls, the music and blah blah blah. I don't know if it allows you to see information of the GPS on the screen. That's something that you guys have to ask your dealership how it works. Maybe another video, another time, not at this moment. I also mentioned the sound of the engine and the sound of the exhaust. Of course, we are talking in a Caprovic exhaust on this motorcycle. I don't know if it is factory or this one is changed, but if it is factory, it is a really nice sound on this motorcycle, and I like it very much. Moving back to the dashboard, two things I wanted to mention. I tried to find if the dashboard would invert colors, because I think a white color instead of a dark one, or it would be better at night, but I didn't find that configuration. I tried to control the light on the dashboard, see if it changes automatically, but no. Only thing it does, it decreases the dim of the screen. That's the only thing it does. But I would like, maybe in version 2.0, the dashboard to have two colors, the dark and the light color, or white color, basically. That's it. And another thing that I do like also very much on this Husqvarna, it's the fact that all the settings, they remain the same whenever I disconnect the motorcycle and start it again, which is nice, okay? Other brands have this annoying thing that every time you disconnect the motorcycle, it returns back to a default setting, and it's really annoying, because if I'm doing off-road, I have all the settings for off-road. I stop for lunch or to grab something to eat. When I return to the motorcycle, I want to continue with the same settings. I don't want to go on the menu again and reconfigure everything to go back to where it was. And this one keeps everything, the ABS, the traction control, the riding mode, everything stays the same, and I do like that thing. It's very useful. Of course, there's the downside of it, which is you are doing off-road, then you come to tarmac and you forgot to change all the configurations here. But that is a user problem, it's not a motorcycle problem, okay? So you have to pay attention which environment you are and prepare the motorcycle for that environment. Basically, that's what I have to say. Other thing, but this one I mentioned on the review, it's the seat. The more I ride it, the more impressed I am with the seat and the comfort that it gives. It's a really comfortable seat. It's wide enough, even on the parts here near the tank where it's slimmer, for you to do your off-road and and handle the... Sorry, I had to do it. and control the motorcycle with your legs near the tank. It's super comfortable. It's where I'm riding at the moment, and I've been riding since I've been talking to you, and I don't feel any uncomfort on this seat. It's another plus for this motorcycle. The minus, it's the mirrors. Okay, I don't like round mirrors, but I'm not gonna talk. I'm not even gonna talk about that. They shake a little bit, but not too much, because we do have a really nice suspension. Like I said, the WP suspension. They really do their job. And talking about job, something also that I don't like, and I also mentioned, it's the pedal for the brake and the pedal for the gears. It's they are too short for me. I do find myself sometimes missing the gear pedal, because I don't find it. I'm used to it to being more outside, and this one is too close to the engine. It's annoying. Exactly the same thing with the pedal. The good thing is that whenever I want to brake, I remember put my feet inside, so I can brake. It's the only thing here. Then we have these rubbers for the pedals. They are good for your everyday commute and riding like this. Then you can remove them and stay with aluminium pedals. I think they are aluminium, and go to your off-roads and all that stuff. And since we are down here, and I talked about selectors, we do have the easy shift. They call it easy shift, but it's a quick shift. Okay, we can turn it on or off, as in the dashboard also, but the main thing here, it works like butter. It's I had no issues with it. I rarely use it. Okay, I use it on the highway and something like that, because whenever I'm riding manual gear, I know my brain instructs me to always use the lever, and I keep forgetting that I have the easy shift. Maybe with time, then the brain starts remembering, okay, easy shift, easy shift, easy shift, easy shift, and I start forgetting that I need to use the lever. But it works like a charm. Gear up, gear down, no problems. It's super cool, super interesting, and I'm gonna go. I'm tired of this. Bye bye. And tired again. And here we go. Woo! And down. I see. I just like I told you. Again, I used the levers. I didn't use the quick shift. Now I'm gonna use the quick shift. And quick shift. Quick shift. Quick shift. And quick shift down. Quick shift down. And it works. Okay. It's much faster than going than using the lever. I do notice that, but I'm not used to it. That's the only thing. Okay, I don't know, it's a mental thing. But basically, guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Look at it, look how she leans. And the engine, it's amazing. I just want to remind you my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for your motorcycles. There's a link down in the description that offers you the first month free. It only works in Portugal, as you guys know, but it's the best I can do. I'm trying to get a worldwide partnership, but it's not easy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, comment down below, and I really hope I can enjoy this Norden all this weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!